Welcome to Bestsellers Market, where we dive deep into the world of top-tier products, giving you the insights and details you need to make the best choices. Today, we're turning our focus to a crucial component for any car audio enthusiast: in-dash mounting kits. These kits are the backbone of a seamless, high-quality stereo upgrade, and we've scoured Amazon to bring you the best-selling options. So buckle up as we count down the top choices that are capturing the attention of car owners everywhere. Whether you're a seasoned pro or new to the world of car audio upgrades, this list has something for everyone. Without further ado, let's dive into the countdown and discover what makes these products stand out in a crowded market. Number 5 on our list is the Scosche CR 1291B Double DIN Dash Kit, a sleek and precision-engineered solution for anyone looking to upgrade their in-dash experience. This isn't just a kit, it's a transformation. Designed for Chrysler, Dodge, and Jeep vehicles from 2007 to 2019, it allows you to seamlessly install an aftermarket stereo in your factory dashboard, with no awkward gaps or mismatches. The fit is precise, the integration flawless. The faceplate opening is crafted to accommodate double DIN stereos with exact dimensions of 3 13/16 by 6 13/16 inches. This isn't just about functionality, it's about maintaining the aesthetic integrity of your vehicle. The color and texture match the factory dash, ensuring your upgrade doesn't look like an afterthought, but rather a natural extension of your vehicle's design. And installation? It's straightforward. No special tools, no professional expertise required. Just follow the included step-by-step instructions, and you're on your way. And with Scosche's lifetime warranty and lifetime tech support, you've got peace of mind that this is an investment built to last. Whether you're a seasoned car enthusiast or just looking for an upgrade, the Scosche CR 1291B Dash Kit ensures your new stereo looks as good as it sounds. Number 4 in our countdown is the Scosche Install-Centric ICFD 6BN, a complete installation solution that does more than just replace, it elevates. Tailored for select 2004 to 2012 Ford, Lincoln, and Mercury vehicles with premium sound systems, this kit allows you to seamlessly install a double DIN aftermarket stereo right into your factory location. What sets this kit apart? It's the precision. This isn't just about getting the job done, it's about doing it perfectly. The gapless fit is engineered to align flawlessly with your dash, and the color and texture are meticulously matched to ensure a seamless blend with your vehicle's interior. It's not just a product, it's a promise of quality. Crafted from high-quality automotive-grade ABS, this kit is built to last. Installation is a breeze, with no special tools required. Just follow the step-by-step instructions, and you'll be up and running in no time. And for those who demand reliability, Scosche backs this kit with their lifetime warranty and lifetime tech support. You get peace of mind, knowing that this isn't just an upgrade. It's a long-term investment in your driving experience. At number 3, we present the Scosche GM0516 DDCS, a premium installation solution for those driving select 2004 to 2021 General Motors vehicles. This isn't just another dash kit. It's a complete package, meticulously designed to give your vehicle's interior an upgrade that feels like it came straight from the factory. Imagine this: a dash kit, wire harness, and connectors all in one. No need for messy wire cutting or complicated setups. The kit connects directly to your factory harness, ensuring a clean, seamless installation. It's all about preserving the integrity of your vehicle while enhancing its capabilities. Crafted from high-quality ABS, the Scosche GM0516 DDCS kit is built to last. The harness, made from factory-quality wires and connectors, guarantees that this isn't just a temporary fix, but a long-term solution. And the fit? Precision designed for a gapless installation. The color and texture match the factory dash perfectly, so the result is nothing short of flawless. Ease of installation is key. No special tools, no complicated procedures. Just follow the step-by-step instructions, and you'll have your new stereo system up and running in no time. And with Scosche's lifetime tech support and limited lifetime warranty, you're not just buying a product, you're investing in peace of mind. This is more than just an installation kit. It's a commitment to quality, reliability, and the ultimate in-car experience. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling in-dash mounting kits on Amazon? If so, don't dash away just yet. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and press that bell icon so you never miss a moment of our top gear picks. Taking the number 2 spot in our countdown is the Scosche Double DIN Installation Kit for Select Chrysler, Dodge, and Jeep models from 2007 to 2014. This isn't just an installation kit, it's the bridge to a superior audio experience, perfectly tailored for vehicles without factory amplified systems. Imagine transforming your car's audio with an aftermarket stereo that fits as though it was always meant to be there. That's the magic of this kit. It's precision made to ensure a seamless integration between your new stereo and your vehicle's dash. No awkward gaps, no mismatched textures, just a smooth, factory-like finish that enhances the overall look and feel of your car's interior. But this kit isn't just about aesthetics. Crafted from high-grade automotive ABS plastic, it's built to last. The harness, made from factory-quality wires and connectors, guarantees a secure, reliable connection that will stand the test of time. It's durability and performance wrapped up in one sleek package. And let's talk installation. This kit is designed for ease, with no special tools required. Just follow the comprehensive step-by-step instructions, and you'll have your new stereo system up and running in no time. It's effortless, it's efficient, and it's backed by Scosche's commitment to quality. For those who want more than just an upgrade, who seek an enhancement that feels like a natural extension of their vehicle, the Scosche Double DIN Installation Kit is the answer. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. Taking the number 1 spot in our countdown of the best-selling in-dash mounting kits on Amazon is the Metra Electronics 95 2001 Double DIN Installation Dash Kit, a true champion in the world of car stereo upgrades. This kit is more than just a tool, it's a gateway to transforming your vehicle's audio experience. Designed to fit any standard ISO 4-inch tall aftermarket radio, it brings compatibility and convenience right into your hands. Whether you're driving a Buick, Cadillac, Chevrolet, GMC, Oldsmobile, Pontiac, or even an Isuzu, this kit has got you covered. But let's talk about craftsmanship. Made from the highest quality ABS plastic, this kit ensures a factory-like fit and finish that blends seamlessly with your vehicle's interior. It's not just about function, it's about form. Precision engineered to achieve a gapless integration with your dash. The color, painted to match the factory dash. The texture, identical to your original interior. It's like this kit was custom made just for your vehicle. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the included brackets and easy-to-follow instructions. Need a little extra help? No problem. There's tech support available 7 days a week, ensuring you're never on your own. And while the harness and antenna adapter are sold separately, Metra ensures that every piece fits together perfectly, making the process as smooth as possible. This isn't just another dash kit. It's the pinnacle of precision, reliability, and ease of use. The Metra Electronics 95 2001 doesn't just secure your stereo, it secures its place as the ultimate choice for anyone serious about upgrading their car's audio system. It's more than a product. It's the standard by which all other kits are measured. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling in-dash mounting kits on Amazon. To keep up with the latest and greatest and top-rated products, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Be sure to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we covered today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.